Have you ever wondered if a radar laser system could be integrated seamlessly into your vehicle? I'll show you how in this video. We installed the Redenzo RCM radar and AL priority laser jammer system on this BMW M8 Coupe. We start every installation by doing preliminary testing with 4 different laser guns to help us determine the most powerful combination of laser jammers with the best placement. For the front of the vehicle, we added 4 laser jammers and the rear received 3 to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. We designed and fabricated laser jammer housings to aesthetically blend the jammers into the front grille and rear bumper. The housings allow us to not modify the vehicle when routing the wires. The front and rear radar detectors are hidden behind the bumpers and will alert you police officers from ahead and behind. On the interior of the vehicle, the Redenzo display controller was molded into the overhead panel for a factory appearance. In these video clips, you can see what the cop sees when the laser jammers are on and off. With this system, you can program them to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you have time to slow down to a speed that you're okay with the cops getting a reading of. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you can keep up to date on all of our latest projects.